Hello, my name is John Newstead. I work for Delta T Devices as a soil scientist. I'm briefly going to go through some of our portable soil measurement kits that we have available for you at the moment. First of all, if you're into horticulture, we have our Wet2 kit. This is based on this Wet2 sensor, multi-parameter. It does soil moisture, soil temperature and soil EC. It's very ergonomic in its design, easy to use, nice feel. And quite uniquely, the thermistor is roughly down here in the central pin. That means your temperature, your root zone temperature, is very accurate because the pin's right down there in the root zone, but also your EC temperature compensation is good as well. Quite a nice ergonomic design, but also, very importantly, it's got some quite unique features. Then we have our quite ubiquitous, quite well known ML3 Theta kit. A unique sensor, it's very accurate, it's proved over the years to be very robust, durable. The pins are replaceable, you simply have a pair of pliers and twist them and they unscrew. And a spare set come with the kit. Both these two sensors that I've shown you at the moment connect to the HH2 handheld portable meter. Very simple, easy to use. You simply switch it on. Once you've set it up, you push it into the ground and press read. What else comes with these first two kits? You'd have a download cables and some manuals. If you're inquiring or you're curious as to how the handheld meter is set up, then with all the material, and this is all available free from the website, it's quite a nice schematic just showing you how to set it up. You can select which sensor you're using, be it the Wet2 or the ML3. You can select soil type. You can select your calibration. We offer a range of calibrations depending on which sensor you're using, but they've proved to be very accurate generic calibrations. Again, if you want to know more about those, please do inquire with Delta T Devices directly. Happy to answer all those questions. You can select various displays. Do you want millimeters, meters cubed per meters cubed, or volumetric moisture content? Or do you want the raw millivolt output from the sensor? Or do you want all of them? You get to choose. And then we have our SM150T kit. So again, another research grade based sensor, but with a slightly lower spec handheld portable meter. This one doesn't save and download like the HH2. That can save 1,500 to 2,000 data points. This one, you press read, very quick to give you a reading, but you'll need to write it down, okay? But if all you want to do is do some spot checking, this is quite a nice, very quick, reasonably priced unit to have. And then lastly, I just want to show you the profile probe. Okay, each one of these double rings represents a soil moisture sensor. They're capacitance probes, they work exactly the same way as the SM150T. And you insert this into access tubes, like that, and then push. And then you press read on the meter. It takes about a second per sensor to read. So you get a lot of information on the depth of moisture in your soil profile, and you can cover a large spatial area very, very quickly. Okay, it's a real USP. There are lots of profile probe systems available, but the real USP of this system is its portability. Okay, I'm now going to demonstrate the use of the PR2 profile probe. We're actually set up here right next to 3 access tubes, which form part of a project looking at the water use efficiency in this elderly orchard. It's a very simple process to take these readings. We simply take the cap off the access tube, take the cover off our probe, carefully insert your probe, twist and push, switch on, press read, and there we have it, we have a reading. So that was about 3 or 4 seconds. So we can take the probe out, put the cover back on, and move on to the next access tube. Carefully insert, twist and push, press read, and we're done. I'm going to save that data. You don't have to save, but obviously if you want to download later, you need to. So we'll take that sensor out, put that back, and let's do the last reading. Twist and push, press read. And there we go, all done. So that's the last set of readings done from these access tubes. Importantly, when you've finished, you need to try and cover your sensors again. Okay, you don't want to start touching these sensors. Any electrode-based or pin-based sensor, you don't want to be touching these electrodes. So we'll put a spare access tube over the top of those, and we're finished. Thank you.